Another day supervising my husband and my teenager at Woodard Automotive and Sales LLC.
Decreasing the value of a long wheelbase Chevrolet C10 that was in a junkyard that nobody was going to fix. So now we're cutting the frame down and making a short wheelbase. Hello.
You're playing with markers? Like
I am. Feel like a toddler.
toddler life.
Oh, no, that is a rivet.
What are you doing?
I'm putting the template up. Show me where I have to drill holes. And mark the frame to cut. I'm trying to save the templates because I can use them on the other truck. No one wanted it before, they definitely don't now. Oh my God! Why? Was that hard? Cleaning it up just a little bit before I put it back together with a plate. This is the supplied fish plate from the CPP Performance Kit. Hey, do you have the hammer wherever you did with it?